Oman, Jordan, Bahrain, the 7 states of the United Arab Emirates. God will judge Arabia through the Christ. It is Christ that is going to judge Africa, from Ghana to Cameroon to South Africa to Lesotho to Mauritius to Madagascar. It is Christ that, and the point is, he will not be even bothered on that day of judgment whether you believe him or not. Whether if you have a case and you go to court, the judge don't care about you. The judge is there to disseminate justice, nothing else. Law is what they are talking there. Judge on found. Ubetimi akopie court now maame na judge ebe onwa so obedi atia. Judge is working on the premise. According to the judicial system of the world, they are supposed to copy Isaiah 127. That is what they are supposed to copy. They are supposed to copy judgment, and they are supposed to copy righteousness. It is something is wrong. Obi etimi tenase no waji wo dwan baako no di twanenum no bu atenchie tia mobronia. That person have obstructed justice and colluded the truth and misjudged, and you would bim one fan bim di amano. So then let me begin to develop my concept. Was ye nim nyame huhunti? Medical culture say nyame ye doma can nice things about God, but nyame no one strike Anania and Sapphira was already there. It was God that killed Herod, and within 1 minute now our process will be within just 1 minute judgment have been administered. Sister nyame we should be able to talk to the whole nation from Jubilee House to Alabaster House. Tell them that Onyame is dangerous. Nyame noa wama obi visa mu obi kuno wona maya no aduane wona boy ho ban no say nyame noa wo ye wodo ya wuji obi kuno a wode achew ya wutu nyinsengu a wode achew say nyame kro noa, he is a killer. Put the scripture on the screen. God killeth and God makes alive. In 1 Samuel, when Hannah wrote a song and sang it to the nation of Israel, that God killeth, he kills.